the dedicated colleagues of mine, they're all here looking at this day to welcome you because they're the ones who have invested their lives to your success. They all have families. They all want us to be proud of what Western Connecticut State University stands for. And that pride makes us stand here with you, welcoming you, and saying there is no limit to your dreams, your aspirations.
So on behalf of the entire student body, congratulations and welcome to Western Connecticut State University.